In this video, I'm going to show you how to create lead form ads in Facebook. Hey, it's Paul Tobey here from Training Business Pros. Thanks for joining me. We've got about 10 minutes for this session, and I'm going to walk you step by step through the process of creating lead form ads in Facebook. I've created literally hundreds of these. It's a fairly simple process, but there are a few things to watch out for, and we're going to dive into it in just a minute. Okay, so today we're talking about creating lead form ads in Facebook. If you don't know what a lead form ad is, it is essentially an ad that appears in Facebook that people can register right in the ad itself, right through Facebook without having to go to your website. So the cost per lead tends to be quite a bit less because it's a quick process. So here's an example of a lead form ad. If I click Learn More, you can see that the form pops up right in Facebook and asks for contact data. In this particular case, full name, phone number, and email. So the purpose of this is to get people to interact very quickly, give you their contact data, and then start following up with them. When the leads do come in, they end up going into your Facebook business page account. And that is here, called Lead Center. So as the leads come in, they appear here. So let's go through the process of creating a lead ad. We're in Facebook Ads Manager now. Click on Create. And in this case, we're going to choose lead generation because that's the purpose of a lead ad, to create leads, and you can actually choose a campaign name. In this case, we're going to call it Test Lead Ads Campaign and click Continue. So now that we're in here, we've got the ad going. We're going to choose auction. Pretty much all of this is fine. We're not going to do A/B testing right now. We're going to save that for another video. But let's create a new ad set. So an ad set is essentially an area that you need to choose how you want to connect with people. So you have to click this button called Instant Forms. So let people submit a form to become leads. Then you have to choose your Facebook page. And then as you scroll down, your budget, start date, and potentially set an end date. And then you can start creating your audiences. So let's just go and click people living in this location. And we're just going to leave that as it is, but you can choose interests and age and locations. And once you do that, you can actually save the audience. And then we're going to put automatic placements for now. I'm not going to go through all of the selections in manual placements, but right now I think for the purposes of this campaign, automatic placements works well. And then down here is cost control, and essentially what it means is if you have a specific cost goal, then the Facebook ad system will focus on spending the budget and getting the most results. In this particular case, we're going to not put in cost control as it is an option. So once the ad set is created, then we can go down and start creating our ad. And this is where the lead form section is. So this is the new ad. Let's just put in test lead form ad number 1. And we're going to create an ad from a single image. And here's the ad creative from before. Let's clear that. And now we're going to add media. And in this particular case, we're just going to add an image. Now, one thing I should note is you want to choose a square image because it works best across multiple different platforms, not just Facebook, but Instagram and all the others. So I like square ads for this. And my favorite tool for creating those, even though I'm a Photoshop person, is with Bannersnack. So let me show you how quick it is to create an ad in Bannersnack. So let's go create new, single design, and let's choose Facebook, and then you can see Facebook Square Post right here. And then there's templates to choose from. And as you scroll down, let's just choose a template. Let's get our own logo in there. We previously uploaded a logo, so go to Elements, My Uploads, and search for our logo. And let's just throw it in there. And let's assume that I'm actually promoting headphones. So I might write something like this: save 50% on these quality headphones. And then in this section, what I want to put is get your exclusive coupon code here. Okay. So now that we have that ad, we can just simply go and download it. I'm going to download it as a PNG. And as you can see, it's just going down here into the bottom called Untitled Design. I should have given a title, but I didn't. And let's go and upload that. Okay, there it is uploaded. Click Next and done. And then it's always a good idea to put primary text. So we will send you this coupon as soon as you fill out the Facebook form. And then headline is save 50% until, let's put April 30th. I like putting limitations in these types of ads so that people can actually act quick. So you can see the ad down here now. It's starting to come together. Okay. Now what we need to do is go down here and create a form. So this is called the instant form. And let's go ahead and create that. So there's a few steps here. The first one is that you should choose higher intent. What I find with higher intent is there's an extra step that reviews the ad, allows people to review the ad and then confirm their info. So it actually isn't a quickest process. It's quick, but it's a little bit longer. So it's what we consider to be higher intent. It gets the customer to do a little bit more. And we're going to use the image from our ad as the background, or you can upload another image. Actually, this one's not the best because the words typically are hidden behind the text. So, but we can certainly upload another one if we wanted to. And then the short headline is get your coupon code now. Let's go 50%. And then you can include any additional details like this. When you fill out form, we will automatically send your exclusive coupon code to your email address. Just a little bit of information on what they can expect. Sometimes what I'll do in there is I'll put step 1, fill out the form. Step 2, confirm your email. Step 3, get the coupon code. But we're going to save a bit of time here. I also like to put in a question to start to learn a little bit more about my audience. So let's do a short answer question. And what will you use these headphones for? And by the way, 1 or 2 questions makes it even higher intent. The more information you're requesting from the potential customer, the better it is and the better you can follow up later. So down here you can see full name and email. I like to put full name first and then email. And then you'll always need a privacy policy from your website. So then you have to actually, oops, wrong place. This one's backwards. Let's put the privacy policy link text here and then the link to the actual privacy policy, which you can pull from your website. I'm just going to type it in here. And there we go. You can also put in a disclaimer, such as earnings disclaimer. And then the review screen essentially looks like this. And obviously the information will be filled out. And the completion says, thank you, you're set. Click the link to learn more about these headphones. And you can click the link to learn more. Actually, there's a limit to that. And then you can put that down here. So click the link below. And then it says view website or download or call business, in this case, view website. And then you put a link to the website. And then you can click publish, and then anything you did wrong, it'll say review errors. So let people know how the information you give will be used or shared. And we will never share or sell your information to anyone. It's safe with us. And then publish. And so I could have given it a name. I can't actually go back and change that now. But I should have given it a name. So you can see some of these others have names, so you can actually name it. And that's pretty much it in terms of creating the ad. All you need to do now is go down here and publish. And in the next video, what we're going to do is show you how to connect Facebook to your CRM so the CRM can actually do this automatically. Because right now, all that happens is the leads come into the lead center like this, and you have to follow up with them manually. So that's not a great idea if you're doing things like coupon codes or free giveaways and you're trying to build your mailing list. So in the next video, we will talk about, again, how to connect these lead form ads to your CRM. So you can look for that in our Training Business Pros YouTube page. Hey, thanks so much for your time. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope it was informative for you. If you have any questions or comments, please write them below. And if you like it, give it a thumbs up, and also subscribe to the channel. It's a relatively new channel here on YouTube, and we could really use your support. Have a great day.